Death. The one appointment we're all going to keep. No need to RSVP. But what actually happens when you die? Does your consciousness drift into a glowing tunnel? Is it all just darkness? Or is it like your phone running out of battery, except you don't get a new one? Let's pull back the mystery curtain, not with mysticism, but with science. Sorry, no Ouija boards allowed. The moment of death. Let's start at the literal last breath. Medically, death is when your heart stops beating, blood stops flowing, oxygen levels drop, and your brain, our central command center, starts shutting down. It's like the world's slowest software crash. But here's the interesting part. Your brain doesn't just click off. Studies from the last decade, including some wild research from NYU Langone, show that brain activity can actually persist for minutes after clinical death. People have reported awareness during CPR, floating sensations, seeing rooms from above, hearing conversations, which, yes, is very weird and also very hard to fact check. So you're technically dead, but your brain's still throwing one last office party. Theory 1, biological shutdown, lights out. The first and most widely accepted theory is the classic, biological shutdown. When the brain dies, consciousness dies with it. The lights don't just go out, they're physically unplugged. According to neuroscience, consciousness is an emergent property of neural activity. Like fire from friction, no spark, no flame. So under this theory, death is the end. No tunnels, no memories, no awareness. Just nothing. Which is either terrifying or oddly peaceful, like the deepest sleep you'll never wake up from, without the annoying dream about showing up to school in your underwear. Theory 2, the dying brain hypothesis. Next up, the dying brain hypothesis. This one explains those strange, near-death experiences people report. Visions, sensations, vivid memories. But rather than spiritual revelations, these could be the final fireworks of a brain starved of oxygen. As your systems fail, your brain may release a cocktail of endorphins, dopamine, and other neurochemicals. It's like a biochemical parting gift, your brain's last attempt at comfort. Some even theorize that a surge of brainwaves in the moments after cardiac arrest may create a hyper-real, dreamlike experience. In short, the tunnel of light might just be your brain's special effects department going out with a bang. Theory 3, quantum consciousness, the fringe one. And now for something a little more speculative, quantum consciousness. Some physicists and neuroscientists, notably Sir Roger Penrose, have suggested that consciousness might be tied to quantum processes in the brain. In this theory, when we die, our quantum information could dissipate into the universe, or possibly return to some kind of universal field. Sounds poetic, also sounds like a pitch for a Christopher Nolan movie. Now, it's worth noting this idea is highly controversial and far from mainstream, but it raises an intriguing question. If consciousness isn't just a product of the brain, could part of us continue in some form? No answers yet, just a big cosmic shrug. So what happens when you die? Science gives us a few grounded guesses. Your consciousness ends, your brain throws a neurochemical rave, or maybe you merge with the universe like a drop of espresso in the cosmic latte. Each theory brings us a little closer to understanding the end, even if we're not quite there yet. Until then, stay curious and maybe do something cool with your time here, because whatever's after, this is the part we know we've got. Like, subscribe, and hey, if you do come back from the dead, let us know in the comments.